Hello, everyone. I'm Meredith McCarthy. I'm a clinical hypnotherapist and I'm based in Wellington, New Zealand. I would like to talk about the idea of hypnotherapy as a really good tool to help change mindsets. So, buckle up. I hope you enjoy this talk time today. Changing mindsets. I think a lot of people get stuck in a story of belief. And one of the things a hypnotherapist is very good at is helping to challenge that belief that someone might be reinforcing by accident. It might be as simple as, I'm not good enough. Okay. So if we can imagine the ripple effect of believing you're not good enough and how many opportunities you might not even step up for because you've got that limiting belief. If you say, I'm good enough because, and we start to work on a list of things of why you are good enough. Look, you're a human being, just like any other human being that's born, has a series of lessons, and you grow, you change, you evolve. So that I'm not good enough might have been a really old newsreel. Maybe something that you experienced as a child growing up where you didn't feel good enough, but hey, you've matured since then and things have changed. So, quite often we're telling ourselves a very old speech, something that's well and truly done. So, I invite you, if you've got the I'm not good enough speech, maybe it's time to upgrade it. Now, if we imagine being good enough and we think about what does that look like, sound like, feel like? Being good enough. That's a good beginning. Now, when we start to imagine as if we're good enough, we start to plant the seeds of change within our mind. The new neural pathways start to be stimulated, and we engage the imagination of the future. When we start to imagine the future, we've actually gone into hypnosis naturally. We're going into our hypnotic mind that is full of great ideas, where anything is possible, and we start to seed different thoughts. We start to engineer a different way of approaching something potentially in the future. So, if we have a goal, dream, or desire of being good enough at whatever that is, it's nice to envision our success, not just trying to do it or hoping to do it. We want to get a bit more direct with our language. I'm doing it, not I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. It's time. I'm good enough. So when we become very precise with our language, this is a big part of direct suggestion that hypnotherapists use. Now, if someone's coming in for a session with me, I'm going to help them to explore why, first of all, they think they're not good enough. And then I'm going to spend a lot more time on their vision of the future of being good enough. What does that mean to them? I just thought I'd check in and give a little wee insight into beliefs for today and thinking about the hypnotic mindset. Hypnosis is natural. Everyone goes in and out of hypnosis all throughout the day. When you're daydreaming, doing something else, your mind sort of drifts off into its own imagination. We are going into natural hypnosis at that point. So, if you're interested in knowing more about hypnotherapy, tune in. I usually like to put together a talk time on different topics and hopefully it floats your boat. If you liked what I shared with you today, please remember to like and subscribe if you want to go on this journey of discovery. I am a trainer. I'm passionate about teaching hypnotherapy. I've got a 1,000-hour diploma course. So if you want to find out more about that, please visit our website nzach.ac.nz, and I'd love to be your guide. Anyway, for now, ka kite. See you next week.